are here today at Sandals, Dunn's Falls, going to do a tour of 2615. We are in a club level room. We've got dual sinks in this resort. Separate toilet area. As you can see, we do have the peekaboo shower out here, so you do want to make sure you're cozy with whoever you are rooming with. But again, Sandals are built on romance, so hopefully it's your significant other. We've got the upgraded minibar in this club level room. So we've got some champagne, some wine, spirits, some local beer. Here we've got Twin Oaks, some of course coffee, and a beautifully designed room. We also have an amazing view